This is a quick overview of the Level Up scaffold. I use the Level Up scaffold to help my students to be able to write in greater detail and therefore be able to demonstrate a higher level of understanding of the topic that they are writing about. The Level Up scaffold has 4 levels. The level 1 is identification. Level 2 is explanation, and level 3 has evaluation and application in it. I like to join them by these lines to show that they actually have a relationship between the different levels. Identification concentrates on 4 main questions. Question 1 being who invented the device, for example. The question what is that? The question when was the device invented? And question 4, where is the device used? Where was it invented? All those sorts of things. Of course, I'm just using an example, but basically you can use these questions to identify things about the topic that you are writing about. The explanation level concentrates on only 2 questions, the how and the why. How are things being used? How do things work? Or why? Why are they useful in that situation? Which leads us into the evaluation level. Application, on the other hand, concentrates on giving examples, providing scenarios, creating something, or analogy. So if you can use an example to expand on what you've done, you are showing that you have had a higher level of understanding. Evaluation is the tricky part, and it requires you to make a value judgment. So what is good, or plus, or what is positive, what is minus, or what is bad, or what is negative, and one that often people miss is what is interesting. Basically, identification and part of explanation is underpinned by relevance. Is what you've identified and are trying to explain relevant to the topic? Evaluation, application, and part of explanation is underpinned by justification. And that's the basic structure of what I call the Level Up scaffold. I've just reformatted it to look like that, and that is what it will look like when I give it to you as a picture. I hope that you'll be able to use this scaffold in order to increase your level of detail when you write, which will show that you have greater understanding of a given topic.